Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Discord not opening on your PC, either Windows 10 or Windows 11. Make sure to watch the video until the end not to miss any important details, and like and subscribe if you find it useful. First of all, we're going to search for our Discord, which is going to be right here, and then we're going to go to Properties. After that, we're going to go to Compatibility and always run it as an administrator. This will help us bypass the security issues. Second of all, we're going to go to Windows Defender Firewall. Search for this and then go to Allow an app on Feature Through. And then you're going to change settings, and then we're going to allow another app. Now to search for the location for this app, cancel this, and then go back to Discord, and then open the file location. Once you do that, you're going to search for the app right here, or the location right there, Ctrl C, and then allow another app, browse, and then Ctrl V. Open it right there. Once you do that and add it, and then we're going to close this, and finally we're going to check for updates. And then we're going to make sure that the Windows is updated to the max, because security issues can also happen due to outdated software. One final resort is that you can go to the search bar again and then search for Windows security. And then from here, go to the reputation-based protection under the reputation-based protection settings. And then from here, you're going to check apps and files and turn this off. This will help bypass more security issues. Final result is that you can uninstall and then reinstall Discord, but you're gonna have to make sure that you've done all the previous steps before doing that process. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.